Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is David O with you guys. Thank you for joining me back on this channel. Today we're going to be going over the basics of affiliate marketing, legendary marketer, which I promote. And also, if you guys stick to the end, the middle of the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a special offer, a gift, just from me to you. You know, if you guys just kind of stick around, I'll show you what it is, kind of explain it, and we'll go on from there. So yeah, so we're going to be going over basics of affiliate marketing, legendary. Also, we're going to talk a little bit about funnels, what they are, why we use them, why it's a good idea, emails, all that stuff. So if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, first of all, it's pretty much just a product. You are an affiliate, and what you're doing is you're actually promoting a product from somebody, a company, a person, whatever, and you're driving traffic to that product or that website. If a customer buys from your link that you actually refer them to, you get a commission. That's pretty much all it is. That's what affiliate marketing is. So, and to tell you the truth, we've all done affiliates throughout our life. So believe it or not, if you guys have really think about it, let's say for example, you are at a barbecue at your friend's house or whatever, one of your friends comes up to you, is like, hey, where'd you get that shirt from? Oh, I got it from Macy's or Tilly's or whatever, right? Zoomies, right? You're referring them where you got that shirt. So you're pretty much an affiliate. You're just promoting or trying to get the right person in front of the right product for them to buy. So, and of course, if they buy, you get a commission from that. It's as simple as that. So legendary marketer, that's the company that I promote. I'm an affiliate for them. And like I said, we'll talk a little bit about that once we get into the computer and all that stuff. But the reason why I promote Legendary Marketer is, for one, it's a beginner-friendly program. If you're new to making money online, new to affiliate marketing, or anything like that, that is where you start. They are it is a course or a program where you learn how to market, not just to become an affiliate. The majority is affiliate for them, but you can take what you learn from there and market. Let's say, for example, if you want to do drop shipping, if you want to do Amazon affiliates, or even sell like your own product, they teach you how to market, how to put yourself out there so you can get the right people in that right product. So that is what it is. But I am an affiliate for them, and like I said, we'll talk a little bit about that. So people's asked me, as far as why I got into affiliate marketing, why I actually recommend that or anything. And the main reason why I recommend affiliate marketing is because it is a beginner-friendly kind of stage where you can get into and making money online. So I actually tried drop shipping a year ago. I failed horribly just because you have to learn, and I didn't know anything about how to do it. I just kind of jumped in. I saw the people doing it, and I thought I was gonna make it. You pretty much have to learn how to market. You gotta learn how to deal with customer service, how to sell your products, inventory, all that stuff all at once. As an affiliate, we just pretty much take care of the marketing. So we just drive traffic to that product, and if we get, obviously, if they buy, we get a commission. So that is why I actually recommend affiliate marketing. If you're new to making money online, it's actually budget friendly. You don't need a lot of capital or cash up front to start everything. You don't need to learn, like I said, customer service, shipping, inventory, any of that stuff. So let's dive in. So let's go ahead and get into the computer here. All right, so we are in the main desktop here for Legendary Marketer. This is my front page. This is going to be the challenge, the 15-day challenge. If you guys have been following me, I've been talking about the 15-day challenge for only $7, and this is the actually entry-level course that you get in, and they begin to teach you the information, the tools, the knowledge that you need in order for you to become a successful marketer online. So here, so you kind of see, just kind of go over it if you guys haven't seen any of my other videos. So you have day 1 on the left hand side all the way down to day 15, and I have them all unlocked just because I've actually gone through it. I went into the course. I did my courses, information, the videos, and all that stuff, and then from there I joined and became an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. So as I was saying earlier, this program is a marketing program. It's not just for affiliates, but they teach you how to build your own business, whether if you want to go and just market for affiliates, if you want to go and promote your own products, if you want to do drop shipping or whatever. They teach you the skills and information, how to market, how to grab people's attention. So through day 1 through 15, they pretty much just kind of talk to you about, they give you videos they actually give you like some homework kind of assignments to build what your goals are. What do you want from this? What do you want to do? For example, if you want to do affiliates, drop shipping, or whatever. And then from there, you get to go ahead and start talking to a business advisor. So you can kind of see here, this is day number, I think it's on 2. You get to actually schedule a one-on-one with a business plan advisor. So this advisor has been working in Legendary Marketer, and they actually go and they ask you questions, they answer, and they kind of talk to you one-on-one, real person, and kind of see where you're at, what are your goals, and so forth. And that's actually what sold me, because like I was telling you guys before, I used to do drop shipping, and that didn't work out just because, for one, I had no idea what I was doing. I just kind of jumped into it and thought it was all just fairy tales and horseshoes or whatever, but it's not. So here they actually kind of help you, and they explain to you, when you get stuck or trouble, you can go and talk to your advisor, which that's what I did, and I still kind of do that when I need help and stuff like that. So that's actually what threw me over. Now they do have other products in here that are a little bit more higher, but you do get more knowledge and more information throughout this whole course. I actually went to go buy and purchase the blueprint, and honestly, I don't really regret it. I actually learned so much from there, as far as they go in detail, as far as psychologically what we think, how to grab a person's attention, how to, because a lot of people don't really know that they have a problem. They don't really know that they need some kind of product to help them. So let me give you an example. A lot of people, all they do is just complain that they hate their job, they hate their boss, they need more money, they're broke, stuff like that. But they just don't know that there's a solution. They know that there's a problem. Hey, I'm broke, I need help, I need money, but they don't know the next step. They don't know that you can make money online. They don't know you can make passive income. They don't know little things like that, and that's where we jump in and we try to help them. We're not trying to scam anybody. We're trying to give the person a solution. We're trying to help them out. So this is kind of the stuff that they talk about, and they kind of teach you throughout this whole course. All right, so the reason that we use sales funnels, or we use funnels to drive our traffic from an actual social media platform into the product, is because we want to laser target that actual customer and just send them directly to that product. So if you can kind of picture it or imagine, if you are selling some boots right on the internet, or you're promoting some boots, and all of a sudden it's like, hey, the customer likes that, you're gonna send them, if you send them straight to their actual main website, to the product company's main website, there's just so much that goes on. If you could kind of imagine and picture, it's like, hey, we have sales over here, there's a new sweater that's on sale over here, boots, scarves, shirts, whatever, right? Jackets. The customer 80% of the time, 90% of the time, is going to get lost, probably going to forget about those boots that they actually wanted, and they're going to go somewhere else, and all of a sudden they kind of get a little confused and they just kind of quit and exit. So the reason is why we have sales funnels is because we want to continue to have that customer go down our funnel, continue to promote those boots, and then get them straight directly to that product so they can have a better chance on buying. I did actually go and purchase their high ticket courses, one of the blueprints for affiliates, and in that course they teach me psychologically how a person mind reads, how to grab their attention, so forth, and how to learn how to build funnels. So what I want to do for you guys is I want to actually give you one of my funnels where you guys can clone the entire thing and kind of jumpstart and hit the ground running with a funnel already in place, with your ClickFunnels account, the software already there, have the emails all set up and everything like that. So special gift for me. The reason why I'm doing it is because when I first started, I actually got a lot of help from other people, helping me out, and now I want to continue and return the favor and continue down the line, help you guys out, and continue on. So if you guys do want to get this clone my funnel, there will be a link down in the description. Like I said, you guys have to, first of all, the first thing is you have to join Legendary Marketer, just because that is the program that we are promoting. So it's only $7 for that 15-day challenge. If you guys are nervous or scared about the money, you guys are going to get scammed, do your research, look it up, make sure that just so you guys could feel comfortable that you guys are not getting scammed or anything. But trust me, you guys are not. It's only $7. Okay, the first step, you can kind of see here that I have a video step by step how to clone, exactly what to do, how to get that funnel into your account, how to put it in and start driving traffic. The first thing you got to do is build or join the online business challenge. So if you have already, you can skip that, go on to number 2. Now you have to create a ClickFunnels account. Now what ClickFunnels is going to be the software or the program where you are going to have all your sales funnels stored in. This is where also you're going to capture a lot of emails in here. Number 3 is going to be where you're going to import this high ticket funnel. So it's a one-click funnel. It goes directly into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have one, so this is what's going to show up right here if you already have an account. So since I already have an account, this is what's going to show up. You just click add funnel. I'm not going to click it because I already have it in here, and it just imports the entire thing all into your account. After that, we have a word for word script, exactly what to say on your bridge funnel, how to talk to people, what to say. Number 5 is going to be the Aweber account. This is where you're going to store all your emails. So ClickFunnels is going to be where you're going to have your sales funnel as well as the emails, but you're also going to connect your Aweber account that's going to store your emails and also send out your email sequencing, which is going to be this next one down here. Copy and paste the entire email sequence. So I give you the entire what to say, how to say it. You don't even have to write anything. So the first email that you're going to send out, and you can kind of see already, I already have it in red what you have to change. You pretty much just have to put your name and your affiliate links so you can get the credit and the commission from that. And of course, if you guys want to join my Facebook group, this is where you could actually get in contact with me, message me if you have any questions. I put out a lot of content information, as well as subscribe to my YouTube videos. And let's see, so this is going to be the actual funnel right here. Like I said, it's already done, set. All you have to do is go in there and change out, of course, put a picture, your name, your links, and everything's already set and go, and you can start putting it out there and start driving traffic. So this is a special gift for me to you guys, so you can actually start your journey, hit the ground running. This is what I learned from my programs that I've actually purchased, and like I said, it's a game changer on what you learn. So much information that you get. I'm not getting scammed on this. I'm actually getting knowledge, and you just put it to work. So other than that, this is pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions or anything, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I put out plenty of information out here. Until then, guys, we'll see you guys next time.